Meet the new Honda Zero Alpha. Revealed for the first time.
We are excited to present a new SUV for the Honda O series, the Honda O, a prototype.
The Honda O Alpha is the gateway to the Honda O series. We designed it as an entry point for the customers. Starting with the front, a screen face integrating lights, emblem, and charging port. On the side, a single surface from fender to rear. A design that emphasizes surface quality with no add-on parts.
My first impression is very good. I think it's a very unique design for the Honda new DNA design.
The straight headlights are cool. T feels futuristic.
The Zero Alpha, what part of the design I like? Well, actually the whole of it.
Well, the main thing is that the face, it's a happy face. It's smiling at you.
The rear has a unique design.
I love the rear, the U-shaped lights. It's awesome.
I love Honda's concept. The design is really cool.
I think Honda has changed.
Most is the very good coherence between the different products, which are defining a new identity for Honda.
Beat the city traffic with this car, definitely. And it has great ground clearance, so I don't have to worry about that either.
It's good for doing many things, for traveling, for going, maybe shopping or whatever.
एकदम ऐसे मॉडर्न और प्लेन लॉन्ग पैनल्स वाली गाड़ी कैसी लगेगी, आर्किटेक्चरल जो जयपुर की हेरिटेज है उस बैकग्राउंड पे, वो मुझे देखना है कैसा लगेगा.
So अभी तक Honda has been looked at a very more of a traditional brand, more towards petrol engines. These really stand out.
Which to me is the best way Honda should express itself.
That'll be hats off to the person who created a contemporary car. So one word, awesome.
If cars like this filled the roads, I think it would really change Japan's image.
I look forward to what Honda creates.
I like this very much.
And especially an EV which looks this good, they'll definitely be wanting to drive it.